Good morning everyone, welcome to Breath Base. I'm Michael. This morning we're going to be doing the Cosmic Smile meditation. This is a very simple 3-breath meditation, and all it requires is that you use your breath and you focus on a smile and gathering energy from all around you. So with that, let's get started. Put a big smile on your face and take a slow breath in for about 3 seconds. And let it out, relax, keep that smile on your face, feel your sits bones, your bottom nice and heavy, relax your shoulder blades down your back. One more in. And out. Last one. On this last one, feel the energy, the air around you coming into your body and creating more energy. Inhale. And exhale, relax your breath. Keep that smile on your face for just a moment. You can do this throughout the day. It's really good for transitions. For instance, if you're moving into a space where you need to be in a large group of people, maybe you take a second to pause in between a conversation with somebody and say, look, can I just take 3 breaths here? So it's a very nice thing to do. It really helps to reset your nervous system, gets you in a good mind state of feeling positive. So this is a super helpful meditation to do daily, and if possible, just throughout the day in little bits. And it only takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for checking out Breath Base and Cosmic Smile. Bye-bye.